In this video, we will learn how to hide formula in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet, and here I have some sales data, and in revenue column have a formula. I just click on the any cell, and you can see here the formula on formula bar. So this formula I'm going to hide here. When you click on the any cell, the formula is not showing here after the hide it. So let's see how it's done. So first step here, select the full sheet here, then go to the home tab. In cells group, click on the format option, then click on the format cells, then untick this locked option in protection tab, and then click on the OK. This is the first step. Second steps, go to the home tab again. In editing group, then click on the finance selections, then click on the go to the special, and click on the formulas. When you click on OK, those cell is have a formula, those column, those cell have a formula, those are selected when you click on OK. So I just click on OK. So you can see the revenue column is full selected here. It means in the revenue column have a formula. Okay, so after that, go to the home tab and click on the format, and click on the format cells, click on the hidden in protection tab, and click on OK. And after it done, go to the review tab. In protect, click on the protect sheet and press the password, and those you want to enter the password, and it's done. So that's it. So you can see here the formula is not showing on the formula bar. Suppose I change here the amount unit price. Suppose I change here the 3, and you can see the changes on the net revenue. You can see the changes over showing, but formula is not showing. When you double click on it, the formula is not showing. So this is a way you can hide your formula easily in Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.